So here we go. We've got 4 little lines here, 4 little tas. Can we say the tas together? Ready? Ta, 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 ta. Can you clap the tas together? Ta, 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 ta. Can you tap them on your shoulders? Ta, 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 ta. What about your elbows? Ta, 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 ta. Great job. Now, if we join a little bridge at the top of 2 tas, like this one here, we've got a little bridge on top. It becomes tate. Can you say that? Tate. And they go twice as fast as the tas. So we've got ta, ta, tate, ta. Can you say that with me? Ta, ta, tate, ta. Can we clap that pattern together? Ready? Ta, ta, tate, ta. Patch it on your legs. Ta, ta, tate, ta. On our collarbones. Ta, ta, tate, ta. Great job. See if you can make some tas and tates from some paddle pop sticks, or make your own musical patterns. See you next time.